Hey there, my name is Mike Dragan, and today I'm going to show you how to start an event registration form. To start an event that has an event registration forms in Oveit, first of all, you have to go to Advanced Settings and Enable Custom Registration Forms. Once we do that, there's going to be a step add-on in our event dashboard, which is called Registration Forms. Now, in my case, I've already added three fields. One of them is name, one is company, and there's a drop-down list of event interests. I can add as many as I want with my Pro and Hub plan, and I can choose from the following field types. And the first one is text field, which is just a one-line simple text field. The second one is a multi-line text field. It can be used for descriptions, longer information that might be required from your visitors. Email addresses. This field is a text field, but it also makes sure that the information that has been entered into the input is an email address. Then we have a date form. So for example, it might be birth date, arrival date, or any other things. There's the drop-down list that I've added here below, which can be a multiple selection. And we have checkboxes. Checkboxes are used for a lot of things, but the most popular use case is agreeing with terms and conditions on our registration form. So now that we have an event registration form set up, let's see how it actually looks like. So I head over to the preview and publish section so I can check my event link. And there's two options that I have available for the registration form. In my specific case, this is a paid event registration. When I press share, the default option, which is available with the starter plan, the free plan, kind of looks like this. So I select my ticket, I press reserve tickets, I have my billing information, and on the next steps, we have the registration form.